এই ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনের মধ্যে দিয়ে আমি উইলিয়াম শেক্সপিয়ারের লেখা ওথেলো নাটক থেকে 115টি এমসিকিউ টাইপ কোশ্চেন এবং তাদের আনসার নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। আমার প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আমি তোমাদেরকে আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে স্বাগত জানাই। আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেলের নাম হলো প্রিয়ঙ্কর দত্ত। তোমরা এখানে ইংরাজি ভাষা ও সাহিত্যের উপর স্কুল লেভেল, কলেজ লেভেল এবং প্রতিযোগিতামূলক পরীক্ষার অনেক ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশন দেখতে পাবে। চলো সরাসরি চলে যাই ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনের মূল অংশে। প্রথম যে এমসিকিউ টাইপ প্রশ্নটি রয়েছে দেখতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা স্ক্রিনের উপরে রয়েছে, দ্য রিচ সিনেটর অফ ভেনিস ওয়াজ নেমড। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, ব্রাবান্টিও, সেবাস্টিয়ান, অরফিউস অ্যান্ড ওরসিনো। এখানে কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন এ। সেকেন্ড কোয়েশ্চেন, দ্য ডটার অফ ব্রাবান্টিও ওয়াজ নেমড। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে অ্যাজ ইউজুয়াল, ওফেলিয়া, ডেসডিমোনা, ভায়োলা অ্যান্ড গোনেরিল। এখানে অপশন হচ্ছে অ্যান্সার বি। থার্ড কোয়েশ্চেন, দ্য নেচার অফ ডেসডিমোনা ওয়াজ। এখানেও চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, সাবমিসিভ, ভায়োলেন্ট, জেন্টল এবং এক্সট্রোভার্ট। এখানে কিন্তু আনসার হচ্ছে অপশন সি। 4 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, দ্য সুইটার্স হু অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম ওথেলো শট ডেসডিমোনা ওয়্যার। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, ফার্স্ট অপশন অফ আর ক্লাইম, সেকেন্ড অফ আর কমপ্লেকশন, অপশন সি ইদার এ অর বি অ্যান্ড অপশন ডি বোথ এ অ্যান্ড বি। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন ডি। 5 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, ডেসডিমোনা থট দ্যাট হার হার্ট ওয়াজ মোর ইম্পর্টেন্ট দ্যান। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, ফার্স্ট অপশন অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স অ্যান্ড কমপ্লেকশন অফ ম্যান, অপশন বি অ্যাপিয়ারেন্স অনলি, অপশন সি দ্য কমপ্লেকশন অফ ম্যান অনলি, অপশন ডি নান অফ দ্য অ্যাবাভ। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ইজ অপশন এ। 6 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, ডেসডিমোনা হ্যাড চোজেন টু ম্যারি। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, অপশন এ মোর, MORE, সেকেন্ড এ মুর, MOOR, সি এ মুনির, MUNIR, 4 নাম্বার এ মুরাদ। কারেক্ট অপশন হচ্ছে বা কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন বি। 7 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, দ্য কমপ্লেকশন অফ ওথেলো ওয়াজ। চারটে অপশন, হোয়াইট, ব্রাউন, ডার্ক এবং পিঙ্ক। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন সি অর্থাৎ ডার্ক। 8 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, ব্রাবান্টিও অফেন ভিজিটেড ওথেলো টু। চারটে অপশন, হিজ কটেজ, হিজ প্যালেস, হিজ কোর্ট, হিজ ম্যানশন। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন ডি 5 নাম্বার 9 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, দ্য নেম অফ দ্য নোবেল মুর ওয়াজ। অপশন এ ওথেলো, অপশন বি ইয়াগো, অপশন সি ব্রাবান্টিও, অপশন ডি ক্যাসিও। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন এ ওথেলো। 10 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, ওথেলো হ্যাড শোড হিজ হিরোইজম ইন দ্য ব্লাডি ওয়ার এগেনস্ট দ্য। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে, অপশন এ ইংলিশম্যান, টার্কস, ডাচম্যান, অসিজ। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন বি। 11 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, ওথেলো হ্যাড বিন রেইজড টু দ্য পোস্ট অফ এ। ফার্স্ট অপশন কমান্ডার, সেকেন্ড লেফটেন্যান্ট, থার্ড জেনারেল এবং 4 নাম্বার অপশন সোলজার। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন সি। 12 নাম্বার প্রশ্ন, অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম বিইং এ সোলজার ওথেলো ওয়াজ এ। অপশন এ গ্রেট পোয়েট, গ্রেট অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটর, গ্রেট প্রফেট, গ্রেট ট্রাভেলার। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন ডি। 13 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, ওথেলো ইউজ টু টেল ডেসডিমোনা। অপশন এ অ্যানেকডোটস, অপশন বি প্লেজ, অপশন সি পোয়েমস, অপশন ডি নভেলস। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে অপশন এ। 14 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, ইন হিজ স্টোরি টোল্ড টু ডেসডিমোনা ওথেলো টোল্ড দ্যাট হি ওয়াজ ওয়ান্স সোল্ড অ্যাজ এ। অপশন এ সার্ভেন্ট, অপশন বি স্লেভ, অপশন সি সোলজার, অপশন ডি প্লেথিং। দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ইজ অপশন বি। চলে আসছি 15 নম্বর প্রশ্নে, দ্য কাইন্ড অফ অ্যাটেনশন হুইচ ডেসডিমোনা পেড টু দ্য স্টোরিজ টোল্ড বাই ওথেলো ওয়াজ। অপশন এ ইনঅ্যাটেন্টিভ, অপশন বি অ্যাফেকশনেট, অপশন সি র্যাপ্ট, অপশন ডি নান অফ দ্য অ্যাবাভ। কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ইজ অপশন সি। Question number 16. The anthrophagi belong to. Option A Asia, option B Europe, option C America, option D Africa. The correct answer is option D. 17 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, The people whose head grow. বিনিথ দেয়ার সোলজার্স আর কল্ড। চারটে অপশন রয়েছে অ্যান্থ্রোফ্যাগি, কার্নিভোরেস, হার্বিভোরেস অ্যান্ড নান অফ দ্য অ্যাবাভ। দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার ইজ অপশন এ। 18 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, হোয়াইল হিয়ারিং দ্য স্টোরিজ ফ্রম ওথেলো ডেসডিমোনা, অপশন এ নেগলেক্টেড দ্য হাউস হোল্ড অ্যাফেয়ার্স, অপশন বি ডিড দ্য হাউস হোল্ড অ্যাফেয়ার্স রিলাক্টেন্টলি, অপশন সি paid a deaf ear to the calls for doing household works, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B. চলে আসছি 19 নম্বর প্রশ্নে। At the end of the stories told by Othello, Desdemona wished that she had a, option A friend, option B a playmate, option C a lover, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C. 20 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, when Othello proposed Desdemona for marriage, the latter, চারটে অপশন রয়েছে declined it, made a fuss over it, publicized it, accepted it. The correct answer is option D. পরের প্রশ্ন, the marriage of Othello and Desdemona was solemnized. চারটে অপশন রয়েছে secretly, publicly, both A and B, neither A and B. The correct answer is option A. 22 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the secret marriage of Othello and Desdemona became expressed publicly. চারটে অপশন, after a very long time, in a very short time, in no time, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. 23 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the person whom Brabantio prayed for justice was, as usual চারটে অপশন রয়েছে the Duke of Illyria, the Duke of Edinburgh, the Duke of Venice, the Duke of Naples. The correct answer is option C. 24 নম্বর, Brabantio accuses Othello of, চারটে অপশন রয়েছে casting spell, witchcraft, neither A and B, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. 25 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the state of Venice was in urgent need of Othello because, option A the Turks had set sail to regain Cyprus, the Dutch had set sail to regain Cyprus, the Aussies had set sail to regain Cyprus, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. 26 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the Turks wanted to regain, option A Venice, option B Cyprus, option C London, option D Sussex. The correct answer is option B. 27 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, Othello was summoned before the Senate as, option A candidate for a noble employment only, option B a culprit charged with offences by Senator Brabantio only, option C both A and B, option D neither A and B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 28. When Othello was called before the Senate in his defense, he, চারটে অপশন রয়েছে confessed his crime, opposed the charge brought against him, accused Brabantio for trying to insult him publicly, narrated the simple story of his love. The correct answer is option D. Question number 29. The Duke of Venice observed that the skill and simplicity with which Othello told the story of his love would have won, চারটে অপশন রয়েছে his daughter too, his wife too, any girl too, any woman too. The correct answer is option A, that is his daughter too. পরের কোশ্চেনে চলে আসছি, the spells and conjurations which Othello was said to have used in his courtship proved to be, option A an original power, the honest art of wooing, the dishonest art of wooing, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 31. The only witchcraft which Othello was said to have used proved to be, option A the skill of telling a soft poem to win a lady's heart, option B the skill of telling a soft play to win a lady's heart, option C the skill of telling a soft tale to win a lady's heart, option D the skill of telling a soft novel to win a lady's heart. The correct answer is option C. চলে যাচ্ছি পরের প্রশ্নে, in the court Desdemona sided with, there are four options, Iago, Brabantio, Cassio or Othello. The correct answer is option D. Question number 33. In the court Desdemona acknowledged that she was bound by duty to Brabantio for, there are four options, life and education, life only, education only, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, that is life and education. Question number 34. Desdemona had a higher duty to perform for. There are 4 options: Brabantio, Othello, the Duke of Venice, Cassio. The correct answer is option B, that is Othello. Question number 35. Brabantio had to accept Othello as his. There are 4 options: nephew, son, son-in-law, cousin. The correct answer is option C, that is son-in-law. Question number 36. Brabantio told that the behavior of Desdemona would have made him to his supposed children. There are 4 options: a sinner, a saint, a betrayer, a tyrant. The correct answer is option D, a tyrant. Question number 37. Brabantio told that if he had children other than Desdemona, he would have punished them for desertion by. There are 4 options: hanging clogs on them, shooting them, stabbing them, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 38. Brabantio warned that Desdemona might deceive. There are 4 options: Iago, Othello, Cassio, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 39. Othello went to Cyprus. There are 4 options: with Brabantio, without Desdemona, with Desdemona alone. The correct answer is option C. Question number 40. The thing which dispersed the Turkish fleet was. There are 4 options: a flood, a storm, an earthquake. Option D, a tempest. The correct answer is option D, a tempest. Question number 41. The island of Cyprus was secured as. Option A violent tempest had dispersed the Turkish fleet. A violent storm had dispersed the Turkish fleet. A violent tsunami had dispersed the Turkish fleet. Option D, a violent flood had dispersed the Turkish fleet. The correct answer is option A. Now we shall move to question number 42. The friend in whom Othello showed his greatest confidence was Cassius, Cassio, and Cassilas. There is difference in spelling in Cassio in option B and C. However, the correct answer is option B, that is Cassio. Question number 43. Cassio belonged to. There are 4 options: Venice, France, Florence, London. The correct answer is option C, that is Florence. Question number 44. Cassio was. There are 4 options: handsome, eloquent, neither A and B, both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Question number 45. The person whom Othello used in his love affair with Desdemona was. There are 4 options: Cassio, Cassilas. There is one again, Cassilius, and Iago. The correct answer is option A. Question number 46. The marriage of Othello with Desdemona. There are 4 options: affected their relationship with Cassio, did not affect their relationship with Cassio, disturbed their friendship with Cassio, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 47. Othello had promoted Cassio to the rank of. There are 4 options: general, major, lieutenant, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 48. The promotion of Cassio to the post of a lieutenant made Iago. There are 4 options: angry, surprised, happy, offended. The correct answer is option D, offended. Question number 49. Iago thought that Cassio was. There are 4 options: befitting for the company of ladies and knew little of the art of warfare. Option B, befitting for the company of ladies only. Option C, knew little of the art of warfare only. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 50. Iago hated Othello because. There are 4 options: Othello favored Cassio only, Othello favored Cassio, and he thought that Othello was fond of his wife Emilia. Option C, he thought that Othello was fond of his wife Emilia only. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 51. Iago wanted to ruin. Option A, Desdemona only. Option B, Cassio only. Option C, Othello, Cassio, and Desdemona. Option D, Othello only. The correct answer is option C. Question number 52. The most powerful affliction that torment man is. There are four options: anger, love, hate, jealousy. The correct answer is option D. Question number 53. Iago decided to make Othello envious of. As usual, there are four options: Desdemona, Cassio, Emilia, and Phaedria. The correct answer is option A. Question number 54. A holiday mood was created in Cyprus by. Option A. The arrival of Othello and Desdemona in Cyprus only. Option B. The arrival of Othello and Desdemona in Cyprus and the news of the dispersion of the enemy fleet. Option C. The news of the dispersion of the enemy fleet only. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option B. 55. Cassio was told by Othello to. There are four options: restrain himself from excessive drinking, restrain Iago from excessive drinking, restrain the soldiers from excessive drinking, restrain Desdemona from excessive drinking. The correct answer is option C. Question number 56. Iago lured Cassio to have a drink under the lure of. There are four options: only love to the general, only loyalty to the general. Option C, neither A nor B. Option D, love and loyalty to the general. That is, the correct answer is option D. Question now 57. Having been drunk and being provoked by Iago, Cassio praised. There are four options: Desdemona, Othello, Emilia, Iago. The correct answer is option A. Question of 58. Being drunk, Cassio got involved in a scuffle with. There are four options: Othello, Montano, Iago, Desdemona. The correct answer is option B. Question number 59. Iago rang the bell when? Or rather, Iago rang the castle bell when? There are four options: Bramantio became wounded in the scuffle with Cassio. Othello became wounded in the scuffle with Cassio. Montano became wounded in the scuffle with Cassio. Desdemona became wounded in the scuffle with Cassio. The correct answer is option C. Question number 60. The ringing of the castle bell suggested to Othello that. There are four options: no mutiny had set in, an ordinary mutiny had set in, it was time for prayer, a dangerous mutiny had set in. The correct answer is option D. Question number 61. When Othello appeared in response to the ringing of the castle bell, the person who narrated the incident of scuffle to him was. There are four options: Iago, Cassio, Desdemona, and Bramantio. The correct answer is option A. Question number 62. Iago's account of the scuffle. There are four options: seem to make Cassio's offense less only, seem to make Cassio's offense less, but made Cassio's offense appear greater, made Cassio's offense appear greater, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 63. The man who was a strict observer of discipline was. There are four options: Cassio, Bramantio, Othello, and Iago. The correct answer is option C. Question number 64. As the punishment of drinking and being engaged in a scuffle, Othello. There are four options: took away the rank of lieutenant from Bramantio, took away the rank of lieutenant from Iago, took away the rank of lieutenant from Bramantio, took away the rank of lieutenant from Cassio. The correct answer is option D. Question number 65. The person who succeeded to thrust Cassio out of his place was. There are four options: Iago, Desdemona, Montano, and Othello. The correct answer is option A. Question number 66. The seeming friend of Cassio was. There are four options: Bramantio, Iago, Emilia, and Othello. The correct answer is option B. Question number 67. Cassio lamented to Iago that having lost his post of a lieutenant, he has lost his. There are four options: pride, glamour, reputation, financial security. The correct answer is option C. Question number 68. For getting back the position of the lieutenant, Iago told Cassio. There are four options: to apply to Bramantio, to apply to Othello, to apply to Montano, to apply to Desdemona. The correct answer is option D. Question number 69. In the case of giving Cassio his lost position, Desdemona agreed to be. There are four options: the solicitor of Cassio, the guardian of Cassio, the consoler of Cassio, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 70. When Desdemona pleaded to Othello to give the rank of the lieutenant back to Cassio, Othello, there are four options: readily accepted it, asked for time before doing so, readily refused it, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 71. While pleading to Othello for Cassio, Desdemona presented Cassio as. There are four options: only penitent, only humble, of penitent and humble, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 72. The full name of Cassio is. There are four options: Dan Cassio, Michael Cassio, Robert Cassio. Then there is Michael Cassio, but there is spelling in both cases in the spelling of Michael, Michael. This is the correct spelling. Question number 73. Desdemona told Othello that whenever she told against Othello, Cassio always. There are four options: sided with Othello, accused Othello, remained neutral, remained silent. The correct answer is option A. Question number 74. In the matter of giving Cassio back his position, the thing which Othello wanted to keep to himself was. There are four options: the situation for implementing the decision, the time for implementing the decision, the scope for implementing the decision, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 75. The person whom Cassio implored to give him the lost position of the lieutenant back was. There are four options: Othello, Iago, Desdemona, and Montano. The correct answer is option C. Question number 76. The expression "I liked not that" was said by. There are four options: Othello, Cassio, Desdemona, and Iago. The correct answer is option D. Question number 77. In the expression "I like not that," the word that refers to. There are four options as usual: Cassio is leaving the room of Desdemona when Othello entered, Cassio is not talking to Othello, Cassio is talking to Desdemona, Cassio is leaving the room of Desdemona when Iago entered. The correct answer is option A. Question number 78. The expression "indeed" is a reference to. There are four options: Brabantio's prior intimacy with Desdemona, Cassio's prior intimacy with Desdemona, Othello's prior intimacy with Desdemona, Iago's prior intimacy with Desdemona. The correct answer is option B. Question number 79. The person who tried to create some meaning in the private meeting of Cassio and Desdemona was. There are four options: Emilia, Othello, Iago, and Montano. The correct answer is option C. Question number 80. Othello thought that Iago was full of. There are four options: love only, honesty only, neither A nor B, both A and B. The correct answer is option D. Question number 81. Othello was told by Iago to be cautious of. There are four options: envy, pride, anger, and hatred. The correct answer is option A. Question number 82. According to Othello, Desdemona was. There are four options: fair only, fair and free of speech only, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 83. The person who knew better than Othello the disposition of the Italian ladies was. There are four options: Montano, Desdemona, Iago, and Cassio. The correct answer is option C. Question number 84. Iago told Othello to observe the behavior of Desdemona when. There are four options: Montano was nearby, Othello was not nearby, Cassius was nearby, Cassio was nearby. The correct answer is option D. Question number 85. The Venetian ladies and wives would not let the world see. There are four options: their pranks, their whims, their humor, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 86. Those people whom the Venetian wives would not let see their pranks are, there are four options: their parents, their husbands, their family members, their children. সঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে অপশন বি। Question number 87. Iago craftily insinuated Othello that in marrying Othello, Desdemona deceived. There are four options: Brabantio, Montano, Cassio, Iago. The correct answer is option C. Question number 88. Othello thought that if Desdemona deceived Brabantio, she might deceive. There are four options: Cassio, Cassius, Iago, Othello. The correct answer is option D. Question number 89. Iago cited the case of Desdemona's rejecting many suitors of her clime and complexion and marrying Othello to prove her. There are four options: willpower, hectic thought process, sympathy, racialism. The correct answer is option A. Question number 90. Iago told Othello that Desdemona might compare Othello with. There are four options: the white-complexioned Italian poets of our nation, the white-complexioned Italian youths of our nation, the white-complexioned Italian philosophers of our nation, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 91. Iago advised Othello to put off his reconciliation with Cassio. There are four options: for eternity, for a long while, a little longer, for a very long while. The option is, or rather the correct answer is option C. Question number 92. The treacherous villain is none other than. There are four options: Montano, Cassio, Brabantio, Iago. The correct answer is option D. Question number 93. Othello's first gift to Desdemona was a. There are four options: strawberry spotted handkerchief, pineapple spotted handkerchief, mango spotted handkerchief, blackberry spotted handkerchief. The correct answer is option A. Question number 94. Iago told that he had seen the strawberry spotted handkerchief in the hand of. There are four options: Cassio, Lucio, Montano. The correct answer is option B. Question number 95. Othello decides to put Cassio to death for the guilt of infidelity within 5 days, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. The correct answer is option C. Question number 96. By the phrase fair devil, Othello refers to. There are four options: Montano, an Egyptian woman, Emilia, Desdemona. The correct answer is option D. Question number 97. The name of Iago's wife is. There are four options: as expected, Emilia, Lucia, Enilia, Desdemona. The correct answer is option A. Question number 98. Iago employed his wife Emilia to steal from Desdemona. There are four options: the necklace, the handkerchief, the flower vase, the love tokens. The correct answer is option B. Question number 99. In order to test if Desdemona had given the handkerchief, Othello presented that he had. There are four options: toothache, handache, headache, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 100. Othello told that the handkerchief was given to his mother by. There are four options: a Japanese woman, a Chinese woman, an Egyptian. The correct answer is option D. Question number 101. According to the Egyptian woman, the handkerchief would make Othello's father. There are four options: subdue and humble to his mother, subdue to his mother, amiable to his mother, none of the above. It should be none of the above, not one of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 102. Desdemona began to suspect that her lord was jealous of. There are four options: Othello, Cassio, Iago, Cassius. The correct answer is option B. Question number 103. The evil which according to Othello was unbearable to him was. It should be him. Disease, poverty, infidelity, disgrace. The correct answer is option C. Question number 104. Othello's untrue suspicion made Desdemona. There are four options: surprised, dubious, senseless, stupefied. The correct answer is option D. Question number 105. Othello decided that Desdemona must die so that there are 4 options. She does not live to betray more people. He takes revenge upon her. She gets a punishment. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 106. The drops of tears which Othello shed were. There are 4 options: cunning tears, cruel tears, passionate tears, genuine tears. The correct answer is option B. Question number 107. Before killing Desdemona, Othello, there are 4 options: scolded her, hugged her, kissed her, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Question number 108. When Othello was fatal, he used to. There are 4 options: gnaw his lips only, roll his eyes only. Option C, either A or B. Option D, gnaw his lips and roll his eyes. The correct answer is option D. Question number 109. The fault of Desdemona according to Othello was. There are 4 options: the handkerchief Desdemona had given him, her interest in Iago, both A and B, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 110, that is 110. Othello killed Desdemona by. There are 4 options: stabbing her, covering her up in the bedclothes. Option C, hanging her. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Question number 111. The letters found in the pocket of the murderer of Cassio proved. There are 4 options: the guilt of Cassio, the innocence of Cassio, both A and B, neither A and B. The correct answer is option C. Question number 112. As a form of retribution, Othello. There are 4 options: killed Desdemona, killed Iago, killed Cassio, killed himself. The correct answer is option D. Question number 113. As a husband, Othello was. There are 4 options: loving and doting, only, loving only, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Question number 114. Iago was executed with. There are 4 options: mild tortures, strict tortures, average tortures, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. We have come to the last question of this video presentation, and the question is: those who lamented for the demise of Othello were. There are 4 options: the people of the state of London, the people of the state of Paris, the people of the state of Venice, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. এই ছিল আজকে ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনটি শেষ করবার আগে তোমাদের কাছে অনুরোধ রাখবো, আমার চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, আমার ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনগুলিকে বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করো, যাতে করে তারাও ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনগুলি থেকে উপকৃত হতে পারে, এবং তোমাদের মূল্যবান মতামত ভিডিও প্রেজেন্টেশনের কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানিয়ে আমাকে অবশ্যই উৎসাহিত করো। ধন্যবাদ সকলকে।